Hey guys, Erica Parker here with eXp Realty. I'm here to talk about your fall maintenance tips basically for your 5-minute fix today. So to start off, I would say the biggest thing in the fall is to get the leaves out of your gutters, especially here in Houston. We may be getting close to the end of hurricane season, but we still have a ton of rain here in Houston. So make sure you clean out all of those leaves because it will make your gutters run smoothly and drain correctly whenever you have that. So make sure you do that. While you're up there, have someone double check all of the roof shingles. Make sure you don't have any missing while you're doing that, so that if we ever have another snowstorm like we did the other day, or I guess back in February, not the other day, but back in February, we don't want to have ice sitting on our shingles and then have one of them damaged and then have a leak. So definitely check your roof to make sure you don't have any damaged shingles. Also, while you're up there, have someone clean out your chimney if you have a wood fireplace or if a wood stove, but wood fireplace if you like to light your fireplaces when you're in the winter here in Houston. Sometimes you will, sometimes you won't, but if you have a wood burning fireplace, have the chimney swept. Also on the furnace, have the furnace filter changed and possibly get an inspection from your furnace so that you can double check that it's all working correctly. And make sure, I know it doesn't happen a lot here in Houston, but make sure you winterize your stuff whenever you're done using it, so that if we do have a crazy freeze again, you will have it already winterized. So that's the sprinkler system, the propane tank on the barbecue, the pressure washer, drain your hoses, all of that. Make sure you get that taken care of. Also, you can do some winterizing on your car if you want to add some lube in the window channel and some of the latches and stuff. That would help whenever it does freeze. So those are some things on winterizing. Also, cool trick, reverse your fan so that it spins the other way, and it will start pushing air down from the top, which is warm air rises, so it will start pushing that warm air back down. So those are some really good tips. Also, pull out all of the old potted plants and stuff, and if you have bulbs for the spring, go ahead and plant those as well. So hope you found this information helpful and you have all those maintenance tips. Oh, one last thing I will say is, if you are listing during this time, make sure that you have the leaves raked, especially investors who aren't living in the homes, and the homes tend to look neglected with all those brown leaves everywhere if you don't have it raked. So hire a local high school kid to come over and just rake up all those leaves to make it really have that curb appeal stand out and everything. So hope you found this helpful. If you need any suggestions for any of the things that I talked about, like a landscaper or a person that can inspect your furnace or a chimney sweep or a roofer, any of those things, give me a call, shoot me a message. I would love to help you out. I've got a great preferred vendor list, and I'm here to be your local real estate resource. I hope you found this information helpful. Until next time, bye for now.